India celebrates 26 January is a Republic Day. Republic means a country whose leader is a president and a prime minister elected by the public. There is no dynasty of kings and queens. Constitution of India is came into force on 26 November 1950. And to mark the historic commemoration of 26 January 1950, every year India celebrates this day as Republic Day. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to prepare, and it is prepared by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It is the largest constitution of the world. It gives us right to freedom, equality, and education. At the same time, we have a duty to respect, protect, and abide by our constitution.